Hi there, can we show you something really quick? We have some incredibly crazy inventions that we think you need to see. We are talking about t-shirts that cannot get dirty or wet. Mobile scanners the size of a pen. Suitcases you can write on. And silicone brushes that allow you to lick your cat? Wait, what? Yes, that is precisely what we said. Now that we have your attention, be sure to stick around for more. Let's begin. Flux Snowshoe. So, Eric Brunt came up with these new snowshoes called the Flux Snowshoe. We can tell you that these shoes are unique and have an intuitive design, but see for yourself. Move through snow no matter how dense the storm may be. The design concept for these shoes was inspired by origami art. Yes, these shoes do fold and take on the shape of the surface they are on. The shoes fold and unfold based on the movement of your feet. No need to feel like your shoe is too stiff or to feel uncomfortable moving in the shoes. The snow has no way to stuff the shoes, it only falls off. You can also choose the extension you want from the shoes by making some adjustments. These snowshoes are lightweight, ideal for hiking to the mountains and other terrains. Let's move on to the next gadget. Ball picker. Take a look at this. This machine, called the ball picker, automatically drives around the golf field collecting the scattered balls. This robot is highly efficient, works quickly, and is autonomous. Then these balls are collected. They are returned to a particular channel to be used again. The ball picker operates using a polyethylene disc, which allows it to detect the field's areas with the most balls. Ball pickers can carry 300 balls per collection cycle. Ball picker knows when it is full, so it then takes the balls to the cleaning area, and its job is done. Well, this next invention will have you thinking for a day. Licky Brush. Well, this is interesting. This is a device called Licky Brush, which allows you to lick your cat. The device is shaped like a tongue with silicone bristles. Licky Brush was made for cats and cat owners to have a special intimate moment, doing something cats could only do to each other. Licky Brush, created by Jason O'Mara, proudly created a device that allows humans to lick their cats without a mouthful of hairballs. Be sure to leave us a comment below and let us know what you think about Licky Brush. Ostrich Pillow. If you are a frequent traveler, like taking naps during your lunch break, or like to relax on your spare time, then Ostrich is for you. Increase productivity by taking 20-minute naps during the days. The Ostrich Pillow was made so people can go to sleep anywhere they may feel like doing so. This pillow is small and lightweight, which makes it easier to carry around. Developed by Kawamura Kunjabian, who has turned to Kickstarter to help fund his project, the idea somehow managed to raise $200,000 on the platform. Touchy. Touchy is a human camera. The device is worn on the head, similar to how a helmet is worn. The two eyes see everything and make the world look just a little bit the same, while you may be wondering just how exactly the pictures are being taken. The answer is simple. The camera takes a picture when someone touches the camera user on any part of their bodies. Also, as long as the user keeps on the camera will take a photo every 10 seconds. This automated process helps the user to enjoy what they are seeing without being distracted by having to stop and take a photo. Rollkers. Rollkers is just like walking on wheels. Its small device can optimize a person's speed on foot by up to 8 miles per hour. Miniature electric motors drive this roller. This means of transport, the director Rollkers Paul Chavon made the gadget, attaching to any shoes. This device is maybe worn or rode in a vast warehouse, really anywhere. Try to get your hands on this invention and let us know what you think below in the comments section. C-Pen. Now, wait a minute. This is something we could get used to. It can be so frustrating having to manually input texts, databases, and translations in a computer when making notes. You can literally feel the time slipping away because of how annoying these tasks can be. This is where the C-Pen comes in. It allows you to digitize text that was not digitized initially. This simple tool works as both a text recognition software and a mobile scanner, taking data from one area and automatically storing it elsewhere. This pen also translates the text to your preferred language and stores the information in a digitalized format of your choice.
It gives me perhaps as much of pleasure as I can now in any manner.
All you do is drag the C-Pen along the book you require to work on and appear in your storage area. The device itself can store up to 2,000 pages in its memory, or you can have it sent to your PC for editing. IU Best Pro. Now, imagine riding around the airport or even around town on one of these. You are looking at the IU Best Pro. This invention is a scooter and a suitcase all in one. A rider up to 331 pounds can smoothly sail around on one of these beauties. Avoid struggling with a heavy bag and get your husband, wife, child, and friend one of these. This suitcase has over 5 compartments and can carry up to 50 liters. The briefcase is also very durable and serves as a protector in case of an accident. The push of a button could have your scooter folded like it never existed. Its removable battery and other emergency power supply makes it easy to charge and makes it very hard for you to run out of charge. The only question now is, where can we get one of these? ThreadSmiths Clothes. Hold on, let me watch that again. And let's pay keen attention, as basically this Australian company called ThreadSmiths created the perfect white t-shirt. This t-shirt is for approximately $49 to $89 US, and it does not get dirty or wet, yet still it is 100% cotton. Those words felt really weird coming out of my mouth, but every word is accurate. In 2014, the manufacturing of pollution-resistant material came into play, and the ThreadSmith company jumped on the opportunity, and today, they have a collection of clothing items all made from this waterproof material. This collection includes both male children and female clothing items. Therefore, the entire family is all set. This hydrophobic technology is patented and made, so you never stain your clothes again. Food, water, dirt, whatever it is, just washes right off as if they were never there. Just to think about what would happen if children could no longer get themselves messy, or if we never have to rewash clothes. Just consider our minds blown. Of course, as usual, it was a pleasure having you here with us. Before you go, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. See you in the next video. Cheers!